Hello and welcome friends. There is a big update in DestinyAI. Now I am showing the update. I have selected one data, then click use select data load successfully. OK, proceed. All data prepared successfully. OK, macro common planets. Here is the update. What is the main function of this page? Through this page, you can select any planet or planets which will signify some specific houses in some specific divisional charts. Now, please follow my cursor. Focus on this default string or formula. If you click find here, then this system will select the planet or planets which will signify 6th and or 8th and or 12th in D30 D for divisional, and 6th and or 8th and or 12th in D1, and 6th and or 8th and or 12th in D6, and 6th and or 8th and or 12th in D8. So the selected planet or planets will signify the 6th, 8th or 12th, 6th and or 8th and or 12th in D30 and in D1 and in D6 and in D8. So these planets will lead to destruction in someone's life. Now from here, this is the, please follow my cursor, this is the preset. If you select here money, then follow here the formula is changed. If you click find, then please follow my cursor, common planets: Venus, Saturn, Ketu, Mars, Moon, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus, Mercury is the common planets, signifying the these any or all of these houses in D1, any or all of these houses in D9, any or all of these houses in D10. Now, what is the signification rules? Occupant or owner or aspects. Now, there is many planets, common planets. If you check the exclude aspects, then it will exclude the aspects. There will be only occupancy and ownership. So Venus, Saturn, Jupiter and Mercury, all of these planets is signifying any or all of these houses in D1 and any or all of these houses in D9 and any or all of these houses in D10. So the Venus, Saturn, Jupiter and Mercury is the planets which will give money for this native. Now, what is the update? Update is these presets. Here the default presets, please look at the formula. When I change the presets, the formula is changing. Now money, if you think that the in D9 there is no involvement of 9th house in money, then you can just remove 9th house from D9. Please follow my cursor. I am removing it, removed. And find the common planets. And you can change the default formulas from here. Update presets, and you can change any of the formula from here and also add new preset and also remove any preset from here. This is the update. And what it does, exclude only aspects. If any planet does not have the occupancy or ownership but only have just aspect, then this algorithm will remove that planet. You can see here common planets has been changed. Now exclude aspects. I checked here. It will remove all aspects from the signification rules. Now find. You can see here the all aspect, the common planets has been changed. Now I want to find the malefic planets. Now I select malefics here and click find. You can see here Sun. Sun is the planet which will cause the maximum destruction in this native's life. And if you uncheck it and find, then common planets has been changed: Sun, Jupiter, Saturn. And there is also an update, that is below the common planets. You can see here Mars, Venus, Jupiter and Mercury. These planets can't be malefic. And Ketu, Rahu, Moon, Sun, these planets can't be benefic. So the in the common planets list, you can easily remove Jupiter, because Jupiter can't be malefic. So the selected planets will be Sun and Saturn. And there may be a question, how can I determine these planets which can't be malefic and these planets which can't be benefic? But sorry, I can't disclose the training data of my AI module. But you can trust the ultimate results. So friends, goodbye, and download my software and enjoy it. And if there is any question or any problem or any confusion, then please let me know. Thank you.